Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we're gonna learn a new topic. It's about measurements again. Until now, we have learned two things about measurement. We learned about length, how long or short something is. We learned about height, how tall or short something is, and we're gonna learn something new. So let's review about measurements again. So last class we reviewed about height. Now what is height? As you remember, length is about how long something is or how short something is. But height is about how tall something is. Now, let's see. This car, as you remember, we learned how long it is, but we're going to learn how tall it is. Remember? It is 113 centimeters. Now, we want to turn this into meter. What do we do? Easy. Imagine you have a little dot. Make it jump. Whoop. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. And it is in meters. Super easy. We call this 1.13 meters or 1 meter and 13 centimeters. Easy. So again, we can read this as 1.13 meters or 1 meter and 13 centimeters. I like this one more. It sounds better. Now, let's look at these two men. How tall are they? We know that this man is taller than this man. So he's tall, he's short. Now, let's see. I think he is 155 centimeters and this man is 200 centimeters, right? Yeah, 200 centimeters and 155 centimeters. Now, we want to turn this into meters. How many meters are they? Same thing. You put the point, whoop, whoop, and it is in meters. And this one, whoop, whoop, and it's here 1.55 meters. Easy peasy. Now guys, when it's 0, you don't have to put it anymore. You can just say 2 meters. So let's read it together. 200 centimeters. 155 centimeters. Now we turn them into meters, right? 2 meters. 1 meter and 55 centimeters. All right, let's see. Now, this is the tallest man in the world. How many centimeters was he? Because we know that he was 2 meters and 72 centimeters. So, how many centimeters was he? Easy. 2.72 meters times 100. What do we do? Easy. This goes 1, 2, bye-bye. It's gone. So it is 272 centimeters. Easy. So now we know that he was 2 meters and 72 centimeters, which is 272 centimeters. Easy peasy. Now, we're going to talk about the new topic. It's easy, don't worry. As you remember, we have already talked about length. We have already talked about height. This time, we're going to talk about weight. Weight. Now, length is about how long something is. Height is about how tall something is. Weight is about how heavy something is. How heavy. Now you may be wondering, teacher, is it weight or weigh? They are actually different. We weigh something to find out its weight. Weigh without a T means to measure weight. For example, I want to know my weight, so I must weigh myself. Or I want to know the weight of my phone, so I must put it on a scale and weigh it. Now, I know it sounds a little confusing, but don't worry. Just know that weight and weigh are different, okay? Today's topic is about weight. Now, we weigh something to find out its weight. How? Easy. We use scale. Scale. S-C-A-L-E. Scale. Scale. Now we have many different types of scale. We have the old school scale. We have the scale for humans to step on it. We have tiny scale. We have digital scale like these ones. If you go to 7-Eleven, you will always see a scale outside. This is called a scale. Now, we know that when something is hard to pick up, it is heavy. Heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. And when something is easy to pick up, we call it light. Light. For example, this is heavy, but this pen is light. So we have heavy and light. Easy. So heavy and light. Now let's see, which object is heavy? Which one do you think? A pumpkin is heavy or an apple? A pumpkin. Pumpkin is so big and it's so heavy. Now what about this? A tiny pin or this nail? So we have a needle and we have a nail. Which one is heavier? A nail is heavier. Now what about here? We have a plate and a table. I know which one is heavy. It's the table. You can pick up a plate with one hand, but you cannot pick up a table. Now what about here? A blue whale or a tiny fish? Which one is heavy? A blue whale for sure. Now let's see. This one was about heavy. This one is about light. Which object is light? Feather or a tree? Feather or tree? Can you pick up a tree? Can you pick up a feather? Yes. So feather is light. Now what about here? We have a paper and a ball. Which one is light? A ball is light, but a paper is lighter. So paper is light. Next is a bicycle and a car. Easy. You cannot pick up a car, but you can pick up a bicycle. So a bicycle is light. Now this one, a mug or a balloon. Which one is light? This one, I leave it to you. You should think which one is light and which one is heavy. Okay, so imagine you have a 10 baht coin. A 10 baht coin, this one, weighs about 10 grams. 10 grams. G-R-A-M. Gram with an S. Grams. That's pretty light. It's very light. You can pick it up with one finger, right? Now, let's see. Let's put it on a scale. This is a tiny digital scale. Boop. Okay. It is showing 10 grams. We are right. 10 G means 10 grams. So this 10 baht coin is 10 grams. It's very light. Now, let's see other stuff that we can measure with grams. This book is 500 grams. Oh, a feather is 1 gram. A piece of paper is 5 grams. A sparrow, the tiny bird, is 40 grams. So it's like a 4 10 baht coins. Now, what if we go above? We go 1,000 grams. When we reach 1,000 grams, we don't say 1,000 grams. It's too big. 1,000. No. We just say 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. kg. Kilogram. So gram is gram. Kilogram is kilo. Kilo. gram. Gram. Kilogram. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Now, let's weigh this man to find his weight. So, mister, can you go on the scale? Yes, sure. Okay, let's see the number. Oh, it says 65 kg. It means he is 65 kilograms. Now, how many grams is 65 kilograms? Oh my god, it's 65,000 grams. You see, guys, if you want to always use grams, it's going to become too big. For example, this man is 65,000 grams. So we don't use grams. We just say 65 kg, which is 65 kilograms. Easier, right? Now, let's see some other things with kilogram. This baby is 9 kilograms. Oh, this table is 200 kilograms. Ooh, pretty heavy. Oh my god, we have a polar bear. This polar bear is 450 kilograms. So heavy. And oh, we have a bottle of milk. 2 kilograms. So, for example, this is maybe 2 kilograms, right? But when we talk about my pen, I can say it's maybe 30 grams, right? Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, guys, let's do a little exercise. We have a little paintbrush. Now, a paintbrush is just like a pen. It's not heavy. It's very light. So, do we use gram or do we use kilogram? Yeah, we use gram because it is very light. It's not even 1 kilogram, so we use gram. Now, what about a lion? Oh, a lion, we cannot use gram because lion is very heavy. So, we use kilogram. Oh, what about this paper clip? It's very light, so we use gram. Oh, what about a bed? This bed is super heavy, so we use kilogram. We don't use gram. Oh, look, a cute fly. What is it? Oh, it's a butterfly. A butterfly is very light, so we use gram. It's a bus. Bus is super heavy. We use kilogram. For bus, we cannot use gram. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, cereal. It's heavy, but I don't think it's even 1 kilogram. So we can use gram for this one because maybe it's 500 grams. It's not even 1 kilogram. Oh, a watermelon. Oh, watermelon is usually very heavy, especially the big ones. So we cannot use gram. We use kilogram. Yeah, I think so. Now, oh, a little note. This one is paper, so it's gram. Next one is a cat. Cat is light, but it is more than 1,000 grams. It's more than 1 kilogram. So we should use kilogram. Now, what about this little lime? Oh, it's a lemon. I thought it's a lime because of the green thing. By the way, guys, if it's yellow, it's lemon. If it's green, it's lime. So this is a lemon. Now this lemon, it's heavy, but I don't think it's more than 1 kilogram. So we should use gram. Next one, I will leave it to you. Try to find it out by yourself. Okay guys, that's it for today's class. I hope you learned something new, which is weight, right? That's it. And I'll see you guys later. Until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye everyone. See you.